back to the channel. So today we are going to make mutton hara masala, and it's a cooking vlog, so I hope that you guys like it, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Well, let's get. The ingredients are onion, tomato, coriander leaves, some green chilies and half cup of yogurt. Further on, we also need some of these spices and some mutton. So first, slice the onions and then pour some oil. After putting the oil, mix it well till it becomes golden brown. First of all, put the tomatoes, the green chilies. After that, put all the coriander leaves and then yogurt. After putting the yogurt, put some water and then the golden brown onion that we made earlier. After putting all the things, blend it well. After blending it up, first of all, then you have to make the gravy. For that, you need the mutton, and you have to pour it in the oil. Mix it well and then put all the spices. The names of the spices is given in the description box. Spices, mix it well and then put some water. After putting some water, leave it for around 30 minutes in a low flame. Then after 30 minutes, you have to put the puree that we made earlier and mix it well. For 15 minutes in medium flame. After that, mix it one more time very well till the mutton becomes tender, and then leave it for around 30 minutes more in medium flame. Your mutton hara masala is ready to eat. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on the post notifications on and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.